How to restore printer factory settings from a web browser. First, get the printer IP address or product name. Make sure the printer is connected to the network. Then you can press the Information, I, or Info button, and after a few seconds, the printer prints out an information page with the IP address. Note: make sure your phone or computer and the printer are connected to the same network. Open a web browser, and in the address line, type the printer's IP address to open the printer web page. Note: if your web browser displays a message that the website may not be safe, select Advanced, and then select Proceed. Visiting this website will not harm your computer or your mobile device. Note: the steps shown might vary slightly depending on your specific device or version number. Click the System button. Click the OK button. If required to enter username, enter admin, and then enter the printer's PIN in the password field. The printer PIN code may appear near the ink cartridge access door or elsewhere on the printer. The printer PIN code can also be obtained from the printer information page. Note: the steps shown might vary slightly depending on your specific device or version number. Click the Service tab. Click the Restore Defaults button. Then click the OK button on the warning pop-up. After restoring the factory settings, the Wi-Fi indicator or the light strip on the printer will flash for about 2 minutes. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.